We done with that for like 10, 15 years? Lord, I hope. Yeah, I hope. Well, what's going on, guys? Tim and Brian, and even Dad's here today. Old Hammer and Henry. Here in the old number 7 garage. Well, I got a brand new hat on so I can show you. Because mine's all dirty. Brand new. Yeah, worked up. Somebody's going to get a pre-used hat. There's no charge. But no, I got the hat and I got the shirts. I don't know if you can see the back, so I'll let Brian hold this for a minute. Alright, so there's the back. There's the front. Don't mind me, it makes the shirt look worse. So we do have those up for sale on our website, timnashracing.com. Click on the 7 store and you can get hats. I actually make these in pink too. And if you haven't heard the story, these orange hats, you fellers wearing them, the ladies will be knocking your door down, okay? So you get one of these, you're in good shape. Shirts and hats, $25 shipped. So look them up and appreciate you supporting a local racer. And I got one more thing to tell you about another shirt that's coming out. Hang on. All right. Now, the next one I got. New forward bite gear, guys, out. Every racer wants it. You know they all do. If you're interested in something like this from Forward Bite, I'll link them down below. Go there and enter old number 7 at checkout and you'll get a special discount. All right, let's help support our Forward Bite crew and join the Forward Bite Nation. So, without further ado, we're gonna get back to work. I'm gonna get this shirt off so I don't get it all dirty. This is my going to town shirt, so I don't wanna do that. Dad and Brian over here. What are you guys working on mostly?
We gotta change this hose. It needs to be a little.
Oh, yeah, our evac stuff.
Everything we need right
our evac stuff. We had to bring over the man with the plan here so we can make sure to get this thing going right.
You know it.
You got her lined out then?
Why is it so hot in here?
Oh, I turned the fan off. I turned all the fans off.
I think you've been doing a lot of talking or something.
Yeah. Wow, we got plenty.
Yeah.
We got lots of work to do. You just tell how much work a guy's got to do by looking in his refrigerator. Lots. We got a few days to do it. So, we're getting close. We are about ready to start this sucker up once we get a carburetor, which I got to go get out of the trailer. Bolt the headers up. Some of this, some of that. You know, a little bit of that and this. Let me get some of that.
Little camera magic gonna be real nice.
Look, yeah, a little camera magic. Somebody's asking who's chewing the Levi. That guy. And this guy. Not that guy. He don't do that.
They don't make nothing else, do they?
They don't make nothing else. Nah. All right. So let me set you down here and we'll come back with you here in just a second. See how far we got. But we're starting it today. It's a good day. It's almost like a Friday, but it's a Wednesday. So our dilemma here is we need this hose, but we don't want to cut it. We're going to try to heat her up. See how it works. Oh, it looks like it might be moving. What?
Don't have a horse wheel hooked to this.
Yeah, I got some horsepower.
No worky.
I'm gonna help you do it here in a minute. Let me set this thing down, both of them, so we can get some work done here and get this off here. Well, you got a lot to say. Sorry about the fan noise. Okay, we got that all done up. I had to swap that hose out to make it longer because our new evac thing is on the front side here. We got some pretty neat stuff to show you today. A beer?
No, I got one.
Oh, now Dad's gonna show you guys how to run valves and a quick and easy way to do it where you ain't gotta sit there and turn the motor 7 or 10 different times. Screw that in there so you don't forget about it. We're gonna change the oil and we're gonna check the timing and set the valves. That's the 2 most important things you need to do when you put a new motor in your car. Make sure your timing's right, because each end the MSD boxes are not going to be the same for each car. So even though this is set up 32 degrees for the car it came out of, probably won't be for this. All right, so let me get that on there. Quit rambling. I'll set you up here. We'll listen to some cool music and kick back, relax, and let's go. I'd say I ain't got a whole lot of time on it. What'd you say? Looks pretty much new. Looks pretty much new in there. Good looking. Real nice. Okay, that's enough of that. You can be eyeballing that and copying it. I know you want to. What do you all think about this 348 cubic inch summer gun? I know some of you didn't like to hear that RPM range we're supposed to turn it. It's got good stuff in it. We're gonna make sure everything's in place to do that. What are we gonna put? 85 chip in it?
Probably.
Until we see how we like it?
Yeah, we may have to turn it up more, but
I think it'd be perfect for our track.
oh, I do.
We'll find out.
I think it'd be good on the momentum track.
Slick track, momentum track, once it gets wound up.
Wound up, it'll run.
Yeah, get her wound up.
Not much torque. Don't need much where we're at.
Nah. Alright. So once we get everything ready to go here, Brian gets done tightening the header over there, we'll show you how we set the valves and make it easier on ourselves. Okay, so we got this on top dead center, cylinder number 1. We got our little cheat sheet here. I'll pull up. Take that one off. So, and I'll link this down below, that way you can figure it out for yourself. Oh, yeah, we got it over on the refrigerator too. Exhaust valves 1, 3, 4, and 8.
And they say that 18.
Exhaust is at 18. Yes. 1, 3, 4, and 8.
Hooray, 7/16.
Or what'd you find, Pop?
Found that they're tight. They're 114, and so we'll back them up. They're about 4 thousandths tight right now.
About 4, a little bit tight. So that's why you run through this stuff. If you can do it every week, do it. I mean, it don't cost you nothing. A little bit of time.
Need an Allen.
So, yeah, Allen set.
Yeah, I need an Allen.
But yeah, our exhaust, which is top dead center compression, on cylinder 1, you can check 1, 3, 4, and 8 exhaust valves by doing this. And then we'll roll it one more time and check all the rest of them. But and then we got intake ones to check at the same time right here too. But that's why you check your stuff. That's it. It's American, standardized. American. You got that. Oh, you even got a ratchet wrench. You even got to take it off there.
Well, let's hope not. We shouldn't have to like that. And we'll loosen these up a little bit.
Loosen them up a little bit.
We're on 18. We go down a little bit.
Oh yeah. Easier said than done there, but I think my ratchet wrench had to lick.
Well, you can use a regular wrench.
Okay, give me a regular wrench then.
Oh, drop something.
This thing here don't work with a... Oh, you break it? You was hammering on it.
I need a...
I'm getting it. I got it right here. Okay, back to what we was doing.
Put it on there. Need to go down a little bit. Okay, tighten. It's just pretty dang good.
Okay. If you're happy, I'm happy.
Yes, sir. Oh, Nate, loosen that one up. Down.
Oh, the mosquitoes are out.
That's good. Okay, and
Tightish?
Loosen her up. Yeah, once they...
Different size, isn't it?
Oh, that's
A little
sweet.
small guy. So we're all learning something here. I've set valves myself, but I like for him to do it. But now we can always look back on this video and we get to know. Plus we're spending time with Dad in the shop. Good time. Now we're getting somewhere.
Lay it. Good.
So what are you looking for when you do that? You want that just to have a little bit of drag,
Just a
basically
little drag.
enough to hold that. If you was to let that go, it would hold it in there.
Yeah, you can just not much, but you feel it right.
Right, it just got a little drag to it.
Yeah,
So there you go. So the reason these are all so tight, the old boy we bought it from, old buddy Jim, set the valves at the track because they was having a run issue, which wound up being a carburetor. And you know, when you set these hot, you know, your head grows and stuff like that, so it's gonna be tighter than it would cold. So that's why they're a little tight. Now we gotta rotate it to number 6, top dead center, compression stroke. Oh,
In.
hang on. Bump it.
Okay, this should be close.
Top dead center.
Okay.
Compression, top dead center on 6.
Yeah.
Okay. We are doing exhaust 2, 5, 6, 7. Obviously 6 on both. Intake and exhaust.
5 and 7.
Alright, you guys get the idea. We're gonna finish this up. When we get back or get done with that, we'll come back at you. So you're getting close is what we're saying.
Yeah, we got this. Cut that. Because in there.
Where's that
nice.
where's that screw at?
Well, he's going to get a light with no thing. Maybe not.
Oh, I see it. Just need a magnet.
Yep, where's that magnet?
Found it. Got him.
That'll work every time.
That's all we needed was that light. If you hey, Harbor Freight boys, suckers, bright, turn on, blind them. Oh man. I don't know, I have 2 of them, but I'm missing one. That's bright on the end too. Don't stick to aluminum though.
Okay.
Need an aluminum magnet.
Yeah, that'll make one.
You got your.
Boys, we are getting close. You know you're getting close when you knock all your tools off and you put that on. Well, you can't do that for.
You got to wire that distributor, man.
Oh man.
You ain't
We
getting nothing
talked
for that,
about
man.
that 30 minutes ago.
Yeah, I gotta wire my distributor up. So that's what we normally run. This has just got the plug me ups.
Spade connected.
Spade. Female spade. David.
David Spade.
Yeah, so I really don't want to undo my weather pack here. That sucks. Because then I got to recrimp it and everything.
Cut that distributor wire and put your.
So do I cut my distributor and
Yes, you do.
put a weather pack on it?
Yes.
Okay. We're going to, as long as I got a male, we're going to start running a crank trigger. I don't know if you guys know about those or not, but crank trigger goes right off the balancer. It's got a trigger wheel and then the trigger mounts right there at it. And that takes away the distributor being your source of ignition timing. It sets it down there, so you don't have to bank on your timing chain, deflection, cam, it's completely accurate. So yeah, we got just what we need right there, that male weather pack. Anyway, we're gonna do this week, and next week we're gonna put a crank trigger on, and we'll show you how to do that too. And we gotta set the timing here in a minute. I got this little kit on Amazon. Got all kinds of neat little stuff. Comes with this tool too. You just shove it in your weather pack and it disconnects them. Over there on the welder, buddy. What welder? The only welder I got. Right there. Right there. You gonna start doing some welding or what?
I guess.
Okay. Have fun with that. So I got what I need right here, and then you can also get these are.
Have fun with that, buddy.
Have fun with that, buddy. These crimpers here on the right crimp the weather packs. Fold them in just right. So I'm gonna do that. Well, one step closer to getting to running, boys. Can't wait. Well, we must be getting close for putting antifreeze in it.
Pretty close.
Better get that. I don't want to lose that. I just filled the carburetor up. Was in the middle of hooking up the MSD timing light. So it's what we use right there. Non-adjustable. You put the timing in it straight on the summer gun. Should we mark it?
I don't know, is it already on?
No, we need to mark a 32 mark. So that way we can see 32 degrees. I believe that's what it is. 32, right there. 32. So we'll mark 32. Grab me one of them out there if you're prying them out. About 32. Let's see.
I don't think it's quite 32, but it's still pretty cold in the mountains, bud.
Oh yeah, not quite 32, huh?
It's mountain glue, that's all that
I don't
matters.
have any ice on it.
Never though.
Now I gotta get my eyeballs down there and really look at that.
That's it, got it.
Yeah, that's 32. Okay. It's about the moment of truth. Hiya, hiya. Only works if you make noise. Yeah, I got fuel. Okay, that's loose. Now, oh, hang on, we gotta do a celebratory cheers. Cheers to the motor starting.
I think you will.
Oh, that's good. Well, let's make one last check of everything, make sure we're happy with it.
Lights work.
Lights work. Radiator hoses are on it. It's got oil in it. My MSD's hooked up. This is tight, right? You got all these tight on the fuel?
Yep.
Okay. Got fuel there. I guess give her a crank. We'll see what we got. Just bump it till it catches.
Very loud.
We got the motor running. It is a beautiful day here at the old number 7 garage. So we want to thank you guys for coming out, watching us wrench on some stuff, have a good time, crack some cold ones. You know how it goes. Don't forget, hats, shirts, timnashracing.com. Support your local racers. We're going to catch you next time. We're going to go to the track and we're going to kick some butt with this motor. I think we can do good. But I'm going to head on into the house, give me a cold shower, and a hot snack. I'm hungry and I'm tired. So until next time, guys, get out there and do something. We'll see you.